So I'm going to show you how to do something called reverse contouring. Really kind of lift everything up, start tapping it out. Hi Rach, it's your girl Mally. Okay, so here's the deal. I get so many questions from people who are saying, you know, I want to try this, but it's so hard when it comes to makeup. Well, guess what? I'm about to make all of your wishes come true and make all of these very, very hard makeup things, make them easy for you, okay? So this is Makeup Made Easy by Mally Roncal. I'm going to show you how to do something called reverse contouring, which instead of using those dark, heavy creams or dark, heavy powders to make your face look slimmer or lifted or whatever, I'm going to do it with light. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a concealer instead, and I'm going to put it in a few easy places. Once you blend it out, girl, you're going to look contoured, all right? So starting with the concealer, I'm gonna first and foremost take it and go underneath the eyes, just like so. This is going to brighten, this is gonna lift the under eye area and really make you look awake. I'm gonna take a little bit, I'm gonna put it in between the eyebrows as well. Here's another place, I'm gonna take it and tap it right underneath the eyebrow. That's gonna really kind of lift everything up, like that. You can also take a little bit, pull it out towards your cheekbone, just like so, and that too is gonna lift the face, and a little underneath the bottom lip, just like that. And I'm just gonna take my fingers and start tapping it out. Oh yeah, here we go. Bring it down the nose. That'll give you like a little nose contour too. Look at that. Wow. Now, the next thing, color correcting can have a very serious issue if you get it wrong. I mean, can you imagine if you have a lot of redness and you put green, you could look like the Wicked Witch. So here's the good news. If you want to color correct, or for example, if you have a pimple, for example, there's a pimple right there that does not want to go away. The way that I fixed or rectified that issue was I used a very small brush, something like this, a tiny little brush. The trick is you need to go directly on the spot. It's more about the precision and using something that matches your skin tone exactly with a good amount of coverage. Hope that helps, guys, with some of your hard questions. Remember, Makeup Made Easy with Mally. I love you. Thanks, Rach. Hope everybody's feeling great, and I'll see you soon.